The CDC is now recommending that fully vaccinated people wear their masks in public indoor settings in areas of substantial or high levels of transmission. Well, the CDC has both Hinds, Rankin, and Madison County in their list of counties with high levels of transmission. They're also suggesting that people that are fully vaccinated might choose to wear a mask regardless of county transmission levels, especially if you're immunocompromised or have someone in your household that is in that high-risk population. The state's leading health official, Dr. Thomas Dobbs, also chiming in with a quick update on COVID-19 in the Magnolia State today. Dr. Dobbs says majority of new cases, hospitalizations, and deaths over the past week have been of the unvaccinated. But their data shows that there have been fully vaccinated people who have died from the virus. Dr. Dobbs explains how certain high-risk populations are still at risk with Delta surging.
So our fully vaccinated deaths are people who are over 65. The median age is going to be in the 70s, and the majority of these folks have an underlying medical condition that makes them immunocompromised, and that's one of the reasons why we've been aggressively exploring this booster dose.
And today the CDC also recommending fully vaccinated people who have known exposure to someone with suspected or confirmed COVID-19 to be tested 3 to 5 days after exposure. Also, to wear a mask in public indoor settings for 14 days or until you've received a negative test. Another big topic this week has been the upcoming school year and whether certain school districts will require masks. Well, today, the CDC is recommending that everyone in schools, that's students, staff, and faculty, wear their masks indoors, regardless of vaccination status. Live in Jackson, Cecil Hannibal, 16 WAPT News.